We are so excited to welcome you back to the Cynthia Graham Hurd St. Andrew's Library. We can't wait for you to come visit.
I'm happy to say that we're ready to be part of the community again. We've missed you. Welcome back.
Are you excited that this is open?
Yeah, open. Open.
The newly renovated Cynthia Graham Hurd St. Andrew's Library in West Ashley is now a state-of-the-art library with upgraded technology, new furniture, shelving, collection items, and more.
Every time we open a branch, it is a brand new experience for that community. And the energy of opening those doors and having patrons come in who weren't able to access their favorite branch for probably over a year is just so wonderful, because I think it's a homecoming for the patrons and for the staff that work here.
There's also new designated areas for children and teens.
I walked into the children's area, and then as I was leaving it, I was like, I gotta go check out the teen room because I'm 12 and I'm both a child and a teen at the same time. Really excited. We came here before renovations and we can actually walk here.
The library is named in honor of former longtime CCPL librarian Cynthia Graham Hurd, who died in the Mother Emanuel AME church shooting in 2015. Her brothers rededicated her portrait at the grand reopening.
It was such an honor, to walk in the building and see her name in lights, Cynthia Graham Hurd, St. Andrews Regional Library, understanding the passion she has for library science, and the 31 years that she stayed here working with the Charleston County Library, and so it's just really a great day.
These renovations are part of the ongoing $108.5 million tax referendum funded project passed by Charleston County voters in 2014 to build 5 new libraries and renovate all existing branches.
I like to help people meet their needs. I get a lot of satisfaction in helping connect each patron with what they need.
To learn more about services and resources at the Charleston County Public Library, visit ccpl.org.